together with India. Yes, ma'am. Please analyze this paper, this text. Okay. You must analyze it, the individual, and then you can compare your opinion with your best friend. The first group is Satrio, the second group is Arisma, and the third group is Inga. The first group must be analyze the first sentence until finally the pilot got on the plane. Do you get it? Yes. The second group must be analyze we were feeling until we laughed at his own joke, and the last group must be analyze you are drunk until many passengers look at their watch. Please read this text 10 minutes. Do you have any difficult words you want to ask to me? Yes, Elvin, what the meaning bloodshot? Bloodshot has meaning like the pile of ace is red and it's because of he feels tired or something. And after this, you can combine your group. One group must be take one student, and another student must compare to another group. So a group must contain the first, the second, and the third group. Please. You can discuss whatever you can in your first group to your blue friends group. I give you 15 minutes. If you have been enough to discuss about it, please come back to your first group. Now, I will choose a student to present what have you got to your last group. Baby Maria, can you come in front of the class and you present what have you got? Okay. Please give attention to your friends. Okay. Good morning, guys. Morning. In front of here, I will tell about the text. Title is the ground pilot. Remember, 102 passengers on the plane, but the plane is not take off because there is a pilot in there. The flight attendant didn't know where he was, and then all of them didn't know where he lived. And then finally, the pilot was come to the plane, and one of the passengers is up to him, and then but the pilot answered singing, and then the passenger called the police, and then the police came. Then the pilot is thrown by the police. Thank you. The next activity, you have some exercise in your next paper. There are 20 questions Please do that exercise. I give you 10 minutes to do it. Because this is an individual scoring. Wants to answer, I'll give you score from that. Want to answer the first question?
The number of answer for number 1, yes, yes, yes.
Okay.